USB-C may appear to be just another connector, but its impact on modern electronics is profound. This compact, reversible plug has rapidly become the standard for charging, data transfer, and even video output across countless devices. However, the journey to universal adoption was anything but straightforward. Behind its sleek design lies a complex story of engineering innovation, industry negotiations, and shifting global standards. Understanding USB-C means uncovering the forces that shape the technology landscape we rely on today. There was a time when every new device seemed to come with its own unique charger. Searching for the right cable often meant rummaging through a tangled mess of cords, only to realize that none of them fit. This era of proprietary charging systems led to widespread frustration and unnecessary electronic waste. The inconvenience of incompatible chargers highlighted the urgent need for a universal solution. It became clear that simplifying charging standards would benefit both consumers and the environment. USB-C was hailed as a breakthrough in connectivity, offering faster data transfer speeds, higher power delivery, and a reversible design that simplified device usage. Its technical advantages promised to unify charging and data standards across a wide range of electronics, reducing clutter and confusion for consumers. The initial excitement was palpable, as many saw USB-C as a step toward a more universal and efficient technology ecosystem. However, this transition faced strong resistance from major companies who were reluctant to relinquish proprietary ports and the lucrative accessory markets they controlled. Their hesitation highlighted the tension between engineering progress and the desire to maintain market dominance and profits. Government intervention has played a pivotal role in shaping the technology landscape, with the European Union taking a leading stance on standardization. By mandating the adoption of USB-C as a universal charging port, the EU compelled technology companies to align with a common standard. This move not only addressed consumer frustration over incompatible chargers, but also aimed to reduce electronic waste. The decision marked a significant turning point, as it set a precedent for how regulatory bodies can influence global tech practices. As a result, companies worldwide began transitioning to USB-C, signaling a new era of interoperability and sustainability in consumer electronics. USB-C has emerged as the global standard for device connectivity, streamlining ports across smartphones, laptops, and countless other electronics. Its adoption promised simplicity and compatibility, but the reality proved more complex. Many users quickly discovered that not all USB-C cables are created equal. Some support fast charging or high-speed data transfer, while others do not. This variation has led to confusion, as identical-looking cables can deliver vastly different performance. Despite its universal appearance, USB-C conceals a range of technical differences that users must navigate to get the most from their devices. The introduction of USB-C has significantly transformed the way we interact with technology. By standardizing charging and data ports, USB-C has made it much easier for travelers to carry fewer cables and adapters, reducing both clutter and confusion. This universal connector has also enabled sleeker, more innovative device designs, as manufacturers no longer need to accommodate multiple ports. Additionally, the widespread adoption of USB-C has encouraged companies to focus more on user convenience, sometimes at the expense of proprietary accessories and profit margins. As a result, consumers now benefit from a more streamlined and efficient technology experience. As technology continues to advance, wireless solutions are becoming increasingly prevalent in our daily lives. The rise of wireless charging, data transfer, and connectivity options suggests that the dominance of physical connectors like USB-C may not last forever. New standards and innovations are constantly emerging, shaping the way devices communicate and interact. This ongoing evolution highlights the adaptability of technology and the likelihood that future connectivity solutions will be even more seamless and efficient. USB-C stands as more than just a connector. It symbolizes a rare moment of global cooperation and technological compromise. By unifying countless devices under a single standard, USB-C reflects humanity's ongoing pursuit of simplicity amid complexity. Its widespread adoption demonstrates how even small innovations can have a profound impact on daily life, streamlining connections and reducing electronic waste. Looking ahead, USB-C represents a vision for a more interconnected and efficient future, where thoughtful design bridges gaps and brings the world a little closer together.